Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to install a full front end PPF onto our 2023 Tesla Model Y. Let's go. These are the stuff that I'm going to use today. So I have a super fill alcohol here. I got a couple of spray bottles for our Tack solutions and sleep solutions, and I have distilled water, bottle of baby shampoo, and a couple of squeegees, and the full front end PPF kits. I got this kit from Amazon from Accelerate Films. Now let's go ahead and mix our Tack solutions. Well, I'm going to mix about 70% distilled water and 30% isopropyl alcohol. Next one is our sleep solution. So I'm going to mix them up with distilled water. And then add this baby shampoo, a couple of pumps. Alright. Just a disclaimer, I'm not a professional PPF installer. I'm just a DIYer that likes to save money, and you already know how much it costs to get this done at the shop. I'm gonna go ahead and install the PPF onto the hood first because it's a larger area and I think it's easier to do it that way. So let's go ahead and spray a good amount of sleep solutions. And by the way, I already prepped the car. I already washed it, so it's really clean right now. Okay, and I made sure there are no dirt, hair that can contaminate the hood. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clean it one more time and squeegee out those water. So use your squeegee to clean that water, to squeegee out those sleep solutions outward. And start cleaning the edges. Just grab your microfiber towel. This time I'm gonna use the Tack solution for this. I'm gonna go ahead and spray a lot of sleep solutions onto the hood. So this is the film for the hood. So I'm just gonna lay it here flat and just roll it out like that. Next thing I'm gonna do is spray a good amount of sleep solutions. Be generous, a lot of sleep solutions. Alright, I think that's good. I'm going to peel the corner first, like so. And as I'm peeling, I'm spraying some sleep solutions, okay? Just be very careful. I'm gonna do it slow. Just put it back in place. I'm gonna go back to that. Alright, let's put it back in place and spray some more sleep solution. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the film. Let's peel the top edges first. Alright, like so. Grab the other side. Be very careful. Slow. Okay. And lay it down on the hood. Just like that. line up the logo and some Tack solution underneath. And squeegee out the water. Already lined up and I'm satisfied. I'll go ahead and spray some more sleep solutions on this corner. Just line up the corner right here. Do this side first and spray Tack solution. Okay, and then squeegee out the water like so. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. Gonna spray some more sleep solutions, and then if you see any big bubbles or fingers, just go ahead and use your hands to fix it. Like so. Then to use your hands. And don't worry about all those little bubbles. Fix that later. And also make sure that this cutout here is lined up as well. So what I'm gonna do is squeegee out the water right in the middle. So from the bottom all the way to the top, gently. Alright. I'm gonna split this into 4. So you're gonna have 4 quadrants. Spray some more sleep solution for easy glide. Alright, just like that. I'm gonna do one across, just like that. Just like making a cross. And go ahead and do this side. So from here upward, and squeegee out the water. Now I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. And now let's tackle this fingers right here. Go ahead and grab your Tack solution and just spray into it. Looks pretty good. It's not perfect. I'm gonna let it dry for maybe 2 hours. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the fenders and go back and do the edges of the hood. All right, so I already rolled out the kit for the bumper and fenders. And this is the cutout for the camera. I think what I'm gonna do is cut it out to make it easier for me to peel it off. It's already cut, so now it's easier for me to prep the film. And then I'm gonna spray some more before we lay the film. All right, now let's go ahead and peel the film each side. All right, grab the other side. Alright. And just lay it out here. Doesn't have to be perfect right now. We're just going to just lay it out. I'm gonna go ahead and do this side. Spray some Tack solution. Use my hands and probably maybe stretch it a little bit. Now I'm gonna come down here and get this bottom lined up. All right. I think it looks good. And now I'm gonna do these edges. Spray some Tack solution. And just fold. I'm gonna start in the middle. Perfect. All right, looks good. Now I'm gonna do the other side. All right, so I finished both of the fenders. Now I'm going to go back and wrap the edges for the hood. So for wrapping the edges, I'm just gonna use a clean towel and just wrap it like slowly. I'm gonna start in the middle, just like that. And do it very slowly. I'm done with the hood and the fenders. It looks good. There are tiny bubbles. I don't know if the camera can see it. And I'm gonna go back and use a syringe to fix those little bubbles. What I'm gonna do next is to do the bumper. So this is the PPF kit for the bumper. First thing I'm gonna do is to cut that one big hole piece right here. Now that I'm done with cutting that big piece for the bumper, I'm just gonna go ahead and prep the bumper. We're gonna do the same process. We're gonna wet it and slowly peel it. Spray a lot of solution on the bumper. Now let's grab the PPF. And now just lay it down gently, slowly. Spray some more sleep solutions. I'm going to secure this corner first so that they don't, they don't slide down. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray some Tack solutions and just secure this corner first. So I'm gonna go ahead and start lining this one up. I'm gonna start with toe hook where that cutout is at. I'm gonna go ahead and spray some Tack solutions underneath or behind the film, like like so. Now I'm gonna line up this side right here on top. Line this up. The rest of this side. Do a little stretch. Like that. Like that. Just be patient when stretching this to line it up. It's a little hard, but it's doable. Alright, it's looking good. I'm gonna do the same process on the other side. Looking good. Everything's lined up. This corner and that corner over there. It's just a lot of stretching and do it really slow. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fix those bubbles and fingers. Front bumper is the hardest to do, especially this big part right here. Now what I'm gonna do is spray some Tack solutions right here underneath. Alright, and let it dry. Come back to it and fix it, like tuck it inside. I'm going back now to get rid of this little bubbles. I don't know if the camera can see it, just right there. I'm going to use a syringe. Go ahead and poke that. Just like that. And use my finger. Alright, now it's gone. I'm going to go ahead and do this for the rest of the bubbles. Alright, I am done. Looking good. I got rid of most of the bubbles. Not perfect, but you know, there are several small fingers like this one right here that I could not get rid of, but it's all good. I don't mind. And there are some bubbles underneath here, but you know, who's gonna see it? Headlights are looking really good. No bubbles. And the other side too, it's good. Well, overall, it's came out good, you know. The most important thing is my car is now paint protected. It is now ready for long trips, and overall I'm happy with the results, considering it was my first time installing PPFs. So let me know what you think, and if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. We do answer all of them. So if you found this video helpful and would like to see more videos like this one, and if you haven't already, please give this channel a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video to your friends and family. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video.